But for Western Visayas, ang pag-election period ginistoryahan sa buong Western Visayas, may sariling COMELEC officer si Inayar na. That's why pag maghambal ka mo issues on election, this time Western Visayas, it's only comprises Panay Island ng Guimaras. Dahil lang Inayar, may alam man sila separate. But for Army and the PNP state, dahil wala pa kami na-organize dito, we still treat them as Western Visayas. If you have noticed this time with the recent areas of concern, for the first time na no one among the municipalities categorized under it. Dahil yan, itindulan na natin ng threat coming from insurgency. Ang mulang isa ka rason kung ang the latest resolutions from the RGCC, wala na categorize, any municipality that categorized under it, even in Panay and in Negros. Although, hindi natin pwedeng i-discount ang posibilidad, kahit sisiliganin natin ni Sir Ramson, they are still remnants, but they are not capable enough to say that the group before na may kakayahan. So that's why in our security preparation this comes election, hindi ginaya madula, lalong-lalo na to give emphasis on PTC to complete. Thank you.